Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
In this video, we are going to start with problem number 4, how to solve the value of a function. Now, we'll start with the problem. The problem goes, if f of x is equal to 16 raised to x plus log x to the base 2, find f of 1 by 4 and f of 1 by 2. So if you have seen the previous video, we have done the similar type of sum. Now let us start with the sum. So f of x is given as 16 raised to x plus log x to the base 2. Here again we are going to use the same properties, that is log of a raised to m is m log a. The second one was log a plus log b, that is equal to log ab. The third one was log of a to the base a is equal to 1, and some law of indices, that is a raised to minus m is 1 upon a raised to m. So let us start with the problem. So first we'll find the value of f of 1 by 4. So x will become 1 by 4. So this becomes 16 power 1 by 4 plus log of 1 by 4 to the base 2. So 16 to the power 1 by 4, we can write it as 4th root of 16. 4th root of 16 plus log of, this can be written as 4 raised to minus 1. We have used the same property which we have used in the previous video, to the base 2. Now to find the 4th root of 16, we know that 16 is 2 power 4 plus minus sign will come down because we'll use this formula, log a raised to m is m log a. So this becomes minus 1 into log of 4 to the base 2. So if you see here, the 4th power and the 4th root will cancel each other and we'll get 2. Plus into minus will be minus, and log 4 to the base 2 can be written as log 2 square to the base 2. Again 2 minus, this term becomes log a to the power m. So the formula goes log a raised to m is m log a. So this can be written as 2 log 2 to the base 2. 2 minus 2 as it is, we know that log a to the base a is 1. So again we have here similar bases and similar power. So this value becomes 1. So this becomes 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. So this is the first value of f of 1 by 4. Similarly, we'll find the value of f of 1 by 2. Now let us copy down the same function on the another page. So let us write down the function f of x was 16 raised to x plus log x to the base 2. The second value that we are going to find is f of 1 upon 2. So 16, again x becomes 1 upon 2 plus log of 1 by 2 to the base 2. Now 16 raised to 1 by 2 is square root of 16 plus this can be written as 2 raised to minus 1 to the base 2. Square root of 16 becomes 4 plus minus 1 will come down. This will be log 2 to the base 2. So 4, this becomes plus into minus minus. 1 as it is, log to the base 2 is again 1. So 4 minus 1 will give you 3. So therefore, we'll have final answer as f of 1 by 2 is equal to 3. And previously, we found out that f of 1 by 4 was 0. So this is our final answer. In the next video, we'll be solving many problems on the same topic, that is value on the function. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.